14, win a Greece. You know what Dunces. Look out the mixtape, you don't know.
Yeah, I'm the SR boss, I represent for Jamaican Chat, baddest channel. I'm here alone in all the dark crew.
Jamaican Chat in a
Respect my channel.
Look how we a fighter, call me a fighter.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we're there with a hot one. Very hot one. Me, I'm gonna just like, share, subscribe on the video here. And you don't know, we have to take the time frame. Big up Father God. Thanks to God, so we have life, my people. And you know, don't see what going on the screen. Valiant new tune. You see me? Mohammed. We have fight long time. And that tune here depicts that message just perfectly. You understand? Alright, my people. Not much chattings over here today. Valiant Have Greece, my people. You understand? You know, same dep on him UK tour. So I'm going to shell down UK throughout the rest of the month here. And a little part of next month as well. But for now, him shell down Greece last night. I think the name of the place is Cavos or something like that. My people, I'm from UK. Don't correct me and don't bash me too much. Alright? So I'm going to show you what go on. Upon the performance last night, my people. Maybe going to just stay on the blog. Check it out. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat.
Right now.
Alright, you know, tell me one thing about that little snippet, them people. I want to go on over Greece. My people, I wish we could have get to know the entire performance. But truth to be told, I am not in Greece. You understand? If I was there, y'all know I would get you the full performance though. You understand? But my people, I want to know, stay geared to Valiant IG, stay geared to him YouTube channel. And see what go on, because I tell him they're on a UK tour right now, my people. So you don't know, we expect the best. And we know say a lot of groundbreaking moments I go on. A lot of record breaking moments I go on as well. A lot I go on for dancehall. So him, Stark Ashley, and quite a few of them, they are UK right now. You don't know, the diplomats them out, my people. You understand? Yo, my people, I see a video I go round pan IG. I see a video go round pan IG. Pan, this is a blast, I see it. Wearing a police, the police them, I don't know. I don't like how them deal with the situation though. You see what I say? I don't like how them deal with that situation, yeah. Tell my people. I don't care whether you would say to the police them or none of them thing there. The police are straight up start. The man start box the youth, him start kick the youth, and then him police friend them just join him and start do the same thing. My people, I can't drop the video over here, so pan, or I can't drop the full video at least. You see me? But my people, I beg you no. What do you tell me what you think about this? I don't think you're right. You see what I say? I don't care what the youth say to the police, and I just think you're right, my people. You see me? Anyway, my people, you don't know, it's an early morning blog for the people, them. So me, I go jump off. Big up on yourself. Jamaican chat. I'm out.